If this rib doesn't fall apart on its own, I've done something wrong. I'm telling you, this changes the game at home. Today in Saladolandia, we're going to make oven-baked ribs at low temperature, the kind you enjoy and don't even need a knife for. Because it's a common mistake to put them in the oven like any other meat, and then, of course, they come out dry and tough. Oh, they're overcooked, dry and tough. They seem too dry and crunchy to eat. And with how easy it is to do it right, that's unforgivable. Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to make them properly, juicy, and with that amazing touch. And if you make them like this, you're making a mistake too. First, let's start with the seasoning. Salt. You can add 1 or 2 teaspoons. Add a lot of flavor too. I do it with garlic powder. I add plenty. Here, you can play around a bit with the spices. I also like to add rosemary to give it aroma, as well as its flavor. And of course, black pepper. Freshly ground pepper is a must. This really enhances the flavors a lot. Also paprika. And this is key. It's what gives it that unique touch that later stands out. You can make them all savory or with this touch of sugar, which gives them a nice lift. So at least a teaspoon of sugar. If it's brown sugar, even better. Stir everything very well, and you'll have your seasoning mix, or whatever you want to call it, ready. If your rack of ribs has a thick membrane on the underside, you need to carefully remove it with a knife. If the membrane is too thick, it prevents the flavor from soaking in. But I'm going to show you that even with a frozen rack of ribs, you can make it turn out amazing. You just have to be careful to let it thaw the day before. Then you unpack it, and that's it. Check your rack of ribs carefully to see if it has that thick membrane or not. Check that first, and that way you can't go wrong. This is great. See, it barely has any. Now the flavor. Salt, pepper, garlic, and everything we added before. That way it has a balanced, slightly salty, perfect flavor. What? You want more barbecue flavor? No problem. You just have to add more sugar to it afterwards. I'm going to explain to you during the video when the right moment is, so pay attention to every detail. What is important is to be a bit gentle, so make sure your hand is clean and give it a light massage so the flavor penetrates directly into the meat. And once you've got it all rubbed in, what's missing? Do the same on the other side. So flip it over and repeat the process. And now, on the tray where you're going to cook it, pour a good amount of oil, or 2, 1 of oil and another of vinegar. A little splash of liquid inside makes all the difference. Then you just have to transfer the rack of ribs directly to that tray. And that's all there is to it. Oh wait, there's one crucial detail left. Don't go, don't leave just yet. You still have to cover it. And do it very well, for example, with aluminum foil like this. It's essential that it's really well covered. Now comes the real trick. We seal it up super well, come on, as if it were a package. So do this carefully, make sure it's sealed super well. And then yes, into the oven it goes. 120 degrees Celsius, nice and low. Now comes the hardest part. Wait, forget about it, leave it alone. Let it do its thing. And you do other things. I'm sure you have plenty of things to do, or a lot of fun things. Are you watching a movie, or do you have to work like me? Oven preheated to 120 degrees Celsius. which is about 250 Fahrenheit. We put the tray inside. It's a bit long, so I place it diagonally. And we're going to leave it there for a whopping 3 hours. So, all morning. Good thing the rest is done in just a moment. After 3 hours, we take it out, but we still don't know how it is. We're not going to open it. We're going to leave it covered for 15 to 25 minutes. Out of the oven, but still covered, well sealed. And now we uncover it and coat it again to add more flavor. And if you want, this is the time to add that extra touch of sweetness for that sweet barbecue sauce flavor. And let it caramelize on top. I'll take this opportunity to turn the oven up more and set it to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 Fahrenheit back onto the tray. We place it just like before. And we remove the foil we talked about earlier. Now let it get crispy on the outside. And now we raise the temperature so it browns on the outside. And now, after 25 or 30 minutes, it will look amazing like this. All right now, okay, look at this. They turn out great like this. And if you want them barbecue style, you just need to add more sugar during the second baking, after removing the aluminum foil. And here you can see that they're perfect on both sides. You don't even need a knife. The meat comes off just by pulling it. I'm sure you're already looking forward to trying them. You put it on the table and there's no more conversation. Serve it with a little salad and enjoy. What a great dish. Now tell me the truth. When you made ribs at home, they turned out dry, didn't they? Wow. No, check this out because it's restaurant level.